If you're tired of scheduling headaches and back-and-forth emails, you've probably considered using a tool like Appointlet. But with so many booking platforms out there, is Appointlet the one you should trust? Let's find out. Appointlet is an online scheduling tool designed for businesses, educators, consultants, and teams that want a simple way to manage bookings without the complexity or cost of big-name schedulers. In this review, I'll walk you through what Appointlet offers, its pricing, what users love, where it falls short, and whether it's a good fit for your business. Appointlet is all about making scheduling fast, easy, and flexible. Here's what you get. Custom booking pages. Share a branded booking link with your clients or embed it on your site. Calendar integrations. Syncs with Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook to prevent double booking. Unlimited appointments. No caps on the number of bookings you can take. Multiple meeting types. Offer different services, meeting durations, and locations, including in-person or virtual. Time zone detection. Automatically adjusts times for clients in different locations. Custom intake forms. Collect important client information during booking. Virtual meeting links. Auto-generate Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams links. Automated notifications. Send email confirmations and reminders to reduce no-shows. Pricing and plans. Appointlet keeps pricing straightforward. Free plan. Unlimited bookings. One meeting host. Basic features. Calendar sync. And integrations with Zoom, Google Meet. Premium plan. $10 month per user. Billed annually. Adds multiple meeting hosts. Payment collection with Stripe. Advanced customization. Custom branding. And more integration options. There's no setup fee. And you can switch or cancel plans anytime. What users love. Generous free plan. Many core features are included without paying. Simple interface. Easy to set up and use, even for non-technical users. Strong calendar sync. Keeps your schedule accurate in real time. Virtual meeting integration. Makes remote appointments seamless. Unlimited bookings. No artificial limits to push you into paid plans quickly. Where it falls short. Limited branding on free plan. You'll need the paid plan to fully customize your booking pages. Basic reporting. Lacks the deep analytics found in some higher-priced competitors. No native mobile app. While mobile-friendly, there's no dedicated app for managing bookings on the go. Fewer advanced features. No built-in CRM or marketing automation like bigger platforms. Appointlet is a fantastic option if you need a straightforward, affordable booking tool that works right out of the box. It's especially great for solo professionals, educators, and small teams who want unlimited bookings without paying enterprise prices. However, if you need deep customization, mobile app management, or integrated marketing tools, you may need to look at more advanced platforms. Appointlet nails the basics of scheduling, and for many small businesses, that's exactly what's needed. If this review helped you, hit like, tap subscribe, and tell me in the comments, do you prefer a simple booking tool or an all-in-one business platform? See you in the next one.